Alright, so hey everyone, let's check in today why the market is fully crashing. Now be sure to drop a like because I'll be talking about things that other YouTubers do not talk about. Now Bitcoin is minus 6% and Shiba Inu actually took a bigger hit because of the Elon Musk update. So what we can see so far is Shiba Inu being minus 11%, and a lot of people do not know why the price is crashing. That's what we're going to be looking into especially. Now if we check over the tweets over here, we can see Elon Musk has actually changed his profile picture. He has basically said Canada, USA, Mexico. He's posting random memes right now. From what we can see, his tweet crashed the crypto market once again and Shiba Inu by a whole. So Bitcoin heartbroken. So obviously this is a huge red flag. Any new holders that actually check this out and see Bitcoin being heartbroken is definitely not a good sign when investing in Bitcoin. And this obviously made a lot of investors pull back. I know I said it would be over between us if you quoted another Linkin Park song, but I found someone else. So in the end, it doesn't even matter. So he's basically saying he's breaking up with Bitcoin, which is just obviously unknowingly or knowingly crashing the market. And this is exactly what's happening. He got what he probably expected. Elon Musk getting that market crash now. He also posted, "I miss you," probably, thinking of someone. I don't even know what this meme means so far. Do let me know down in the comments below. But, the Dogecoin CEO tweeting him, "Elon, I put my trust into you," and replying with a meme. Dogecoin is just made up with money with an infinite supply, Federal Reserve, and, printing a lot of cash. And then another thing, crypto Twitter, when Elon posts about Bitcoin, and, a lot of people are really afraid because it does drop the price by 10% down. And Elon Musk just, posting two laughs over here. Needs laser eyes too. So I'm guessing, he's joking around, but what we can see so far is the market is truly crashing. Did Bitcoin break Elon's heart? And it obviously did, because it seems like it's crashing the price down. It's massively crashing the price as we speak. I would buy all the Bitcoin that Elon Musk sells. Nobody cares anymore. He's saying, Bitcoin's arguing that this is literally impossible to manipulate the price of Bitcoin, while similarly crying that Elon Musk is manipulating the price of Bitcoin is peak hypocrisy. And this can, in fact, and it did, prove that this does manipulate Bitcoin and Dogecoin so far. So Elon Musk leaving Bitcoin for Dogecoin, but this is obviously not possible because Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are both tied to Bitcoin. We don't know what a great fill there is, but Bitcoin is the bridge across it. Simply put, once you adopt Bitcoin standard, your time preference is in line with the preservation of species, which is the first test when it comes to greater hope. Bitcoin is definitely hope, but what we're seeing so far is, I guess people are saying that he's causing the crashes and the spikes when he's hating Dogecoin, when he's loving Dogecoin and hating Bitcoin, and seemingly Bitcoin is still one of the strongest coins right now. So because Bitcoin is tied both to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and both Dogecoin took a massive hit. He's not friends with Bitcoin anymore, but when you say you're not friends with Bitcoin anymore, you're potentially saying I'm not friends with crypto, which is terrible news to all the big whales and investors. And it definitely does make sense. Other than that, he has not been posting much about crypto other than a few Doge memes. I have to keep my passion hidden from the public, and what we're seeing so far just the SpaceX project, but not much about crypto. And I think this is obviously aware that this would somehow manipulate the price or somehow drop the price of crypto so far, especially with such a tweet where it's universally known that a heartbreak love sign or emoji over here will crash the price of Bitcoin. And he's actually breaking up with it. We don't know if he's selling his Bitcoin. We don't know if he won't support Bitcoin anymore, but he's very strong for Dogecoin, not Bitcoin. However, he still believes strongly into crypto, just not Bitcoin itself. And if Bitcoin falls, again, all the other cryptocurrencies crash. And this is what's happening so far. Shiba Inu being down 13% today, which is obviously the explosion that's happening from what I can see here. The volume being down, not so many people investing. Is this the end of crypto? No, this happens every single year. So if we check over here, we can see, it being 8597, obviously, but we still saw a big spike like 20 days ago. I think in the long term, it won't even matter. So reality, he's trying to probably replace, Dogecoin, because it's on rank 6 with Bitcoin, but it's not working. So Bitcoin is always going to have the biggest dominance. If you check over here, Bitcoin 42% dominance, Ethereum 19%, gas 20K. So obviously, Ethereum and Bitcoin will dominate the market for some time, while, the other coins will have to pick up at some point. They're not as nearly as strong as Bitcoin right now. So everyone big, or everyone that is a millionaire, is probably investing in Bitcoin so far. And the market will need some time to recover. This is causing big spikes, big crashes. And if you did not know, SHIBA swap is coming. Big updates are coming. So everything would have indicated towards the growth of Shiba Inu. I think it could still grow in the future. From what I'm seeing in the last 24 hours, it still grew by 20% or something, but it seems like it grew too fast, right? Like, look at this. It's dropping down so much right now, and it's probably going to be dropping even more. I don't think you should sell now. This is not financial advice. I don't want to tell you if you should sell or not, but we can very clearly see that less people are actually buying crypto overall. So, minus 30% volume. If we check Bitcoin over here, we can see another thing. So we can see someone actually buying in. We can see the volume increasing. So someone is selling, and more whales are buying in. We can see when it's listed everywhere. A lot of people are trading it actually. So we can check over here. It's still way up than it was in October of 30th 2020. So it could definitely go back up at some point. I don't think this is the end of crypto. Will definitely be still around, probably stronger than ever. Bitcoin will at some point hit 80K. Now, why Elon Musk is tweeting this, no one knows. Why Dogecoin is not on number 2 if he wants it that much up, no one knows. Probably because it has no development yet. But what I can see here is, Monero being strong, Shiba Inu being stronger, coming up on the place. When it gets to, place 10, place 16, it will definitely become one of the bigger and known coins. And maybe, Elon Musk might decide to support Shiba Inu by then. Who knows? Because this happens every single week, actually. Elon Musk tweeting something about not trusting cryptocurrencies. So this is exactly something that happened. I think it happened exactly on this place. So May 11th, May 12th, the big crash happened. And now again, we're seeing a further dip. Maybe Bitcoin will drop below 25K. When we see such tweets, this is what's happening. And this happened before, dropping from 30 through $36, 32821, dropping to such a small amount. It will definitely drop much lower. Again, not financial advice, but we can clearly see some patterns over here from such tweets happening. Now you can make your own decisions. The community is still pretty strong over here. Like, people are saying buy this coin if you want to lose money. I'll see in 2 weeks when SHIBA swap has come out and it's never cheap again. And obviously there's a lot more updates. And before Pancake Swap released an exchange, it was traded around 60 cents. Months later, that exchange was released and it was traded at $40. This swap just shows the potential success of SHIBA swap has and how it is going. So we're seeing new releases pretty much soon. Definitely keep tuned, because we're getting a lot more updates for Shiba Inu so far. And see you until next time. Peace, everyone.